Hi everybody, welcome back. This is a unboxing video I've received from Love From Lizi. It landed on my doorstep a couple of days ago, but I've been working all week, so this is the first chance that I've had of actually unboxing it with you. So let's dive right in. I've had a quick peek at some of the things and yeah, I can't wait to show you. So first off, we get these gorgeous, they're like Nouveau drops, but from looking at them they seem a bit thinner than Nouveau drops, and I'm thinking they are going to be easy to spread through stencils. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to playing with. I think you can paint with these as well. I've had some water and used them as a pearlescent paint. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to playing with those. And you get 5 different colours. So there's the baby blue, the baby pink, the lilac, the sort of mint green, and then there's like a I would say that's like a platinum, like a platinum gold, a very light gold. And yeah, they look really amazing. I can't wait to play with those. I did have some extras this time, some more peel-offs. I'll get to those in a moment. So let's have a look at the oh, I did have the, which is pretty standard for me these days. I do tend to order the pearlescent paper, the pearlescent cardstock, because I love it. Actually, let's have a quick look. Actually, let's so I'm all of a dither today. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, let's get rid of the box. I'll get to those in a moment, and the embellishments. So we've looked at those. Let's see what's in the pearlescent paper, shall we, this time? Let's see what colours we get. They're always beautiful colours, and I'm sure this month they won't disappoint. So I've got a gorgeous lemon there. There's a lilac, lovely spring fresh colours. This is a lilac, there's a baby pink, a baby blue, quite a vivid lime green, that one, and quite a vivid hot pink. So there's some bold colours and there's some lighter colours as well. So yeah, I really like those. I always like to use the pearlescent cardstock in my makes for Lizi. I think they are beautiful. Right, let's just get rid of those, that bag. And then in the actual A4 bag, let's have a look, see what we get. So we get some thin double-sided tape. I think that's going to be about 1/8 of an inch, roughly. That comes in useful because I tend to make my own envelopes, and I use the thin foam, the thin double-sided tape for the seal of the envelope. So even though I've got tape runners that I use for card making, that will come in useful. That will definitely get used. The stamp set this month is absolutely adorable. So there's a little basket of flowers, watering can of flowers, little wheelbarrow that's got flowers in it as well, and a little bucket, 2 sentiments. So they've got spring wishes and hello you, and also these adorable Wellington boots, and a couple of flower flourishes. Oh, there's a little stamp there as well that's like a little seed packet. I think, I don't know if you can see that. It's a seeds on it, and it's such a tiny little stamp. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. You could easily do a background with that. In fact, I might do a background with that stamp. You get a stencil. It's I think this is a 4x4 stencil. I think this is 4 inches, yeah. So it's a 4" by 4" stencil, and it's got this lovely, I think this is about a 2" panel, yeah, 2" square panel on the centre of the stencil, and then all these little bubbles on the outside. So with those paints and a spatula, you're going to have some fun stenciling, I think, this time. There are 6x6 papers, and I think these are single-sided, so you get that gorgeous floral there with a dark background, lighter florals there, that one there, oh, lovely geometric pattern there, a check or a sort of tartan or plaid, that gorgeous bold pattern there, another geometric with those diamonds, another floral with sort of vines and flowers. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. I love that. Oh, look at those umbrellas. I think those two are my favourites so far. But I do love the bold florals. I think these are absolutely gorgeous, and a gorgeous stripe. Really lovely pattern cardstock this time. Love those. You also get some peel-offs, and these are the straight ones, and they're in this lovely where's my tweezers? Where are they? Well, these ones will do. Yeah, so they're straight, and they're like a lilac colour, like a pinky lilac. Yeah, I love those. You also get your coloured cardstock, so you've got your navy blue, a light blue, this gorgeous sort of pearlescent white with a wavy pattern on. Love that. There's a lovely pink and sort of a buttery yellow. Love those. You also get this looks like it's like a kind of mesh, but it's got little ribbons of pearlescent thread running through it, so that is going to be, I've got an idea for that already. So that's those. You also get, oh, there's also the white in your cardstock, which Lizzie sends as standard. There's some double-sided sheet here, which is adhesive. It's got a thin adhesive on the inside, so release paper on the front and the back, so you can take the top layer off, die cut, and then you have a sticker. Yeah, love that always comes in useful. And then you have some 12x12 sheets that are gutter parts on one side and patterned on the other, so you can use these for your scrapbooking, for your cards, and I think a lot of these already have sentiments on them, so that would just be a card front. That would be lovely in a journal. Lovely embellishments for cards. You could fussy cut some of these if you wanted to. You don't have to just cut them. There's a little row of flowers there. You could easily cut that down as a flag banner there. Yeah, loads of things, and some beautiful patterns on the back. So if you didn't want to use the cutter parts, you can also use the pattern paper on the reverse. Beautiful bold patterns again. So these look like seed packet fronts, so yeah, they would be adorable on the front of a card, and lots of different flowers. There's loads. I love that. That's beautiful. I love that one as well with the watercoloured parts. Yeah, so that's those. Right, so let's get to the embellishments and see what we've got in here. So you get ribbon off Lizzie as always. See what colours we've got this time. So there's a lilac, there's a pink, there's a white, a lemon, and I think is that a black? Yes, there's a black as well, which would be lovely as a contrast to all the bright colours. I'll just pop that back in there. Sequins are standard as you get a mini bag in the kit. There are also full-size bags on Lizi's website. So these have got a mixture of gold, black, lilac, transparent, and all different shapes and sizes. There are some flat ones, there are some cupped ones, yeah. So lovely, love those. You also get these gorgeous gem stickers, or yeah, these are, and they're really, really shiny. Love those. You get some glitter. I've still got some glitter left over from a previous kit, but I love it that it's only little bags, so you're not going to have pots of glitter everywhere that take up a lot of time. These are a lot of space, sorry. These are just little bags for embellishing cards. Lovely. You also get these cute little 2x2 squares, and they match the kit perfectly. And there's this one that's got like lots of little sentiments inside, and they fit inside that stencil perfectly. So if you did a background with those paints, and then one of those in the centre with a sentiment on, that's a perfect card. And it's a 4x4, so you could put it on an A2 size card base with a little gap at the bottom for pattern paper if you wanted to, or just cut a 4x4 card base. Yeah, lovely, love those. And they come in this handy little tray as well. And this second piece is the pattern paper. So you could just have a pattern paper and then one of these on the inside. So these images on the stamps can fit in the centre of those as well, or just a stamped sentiment if you want to. Yeah, they're beautiful. Love the idea of those. And I've done the peel-offs. You get some glue dots as well. These are quite large ones. I don't know whether you can see them. They are quite large. They're about the size of a penny. Yeah, love those. And the dies this month are 2 tags, a large and a smaller one. I love tags. I have got lots of them already, dies, but more won't hurt. So there's a couple of butterflies, there's a heart, flower. Oh, I think these cut, that one will cut into your card. It hasn't got an outside cutting line on that one. Same with that one. Same with that one. And that one. And that one. That has got and there's a little heart there that has got an outside cutting line. So these flowers cut into your card stock. They don't cut it out. Those do. So yeah, loving those. I think they are so pretty. You could cut a tag and one of the flowers like so in the corner or in the centre, or do a few sort of like that. You know, and make a pattern out of your tag. Lovely, absolutely adore those. Really, really do. I'm so pleased with my kit this time, and I've got lots of ideas on cards to make. So yeah, thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully I'll try and do a 10 cards one kit. I did fail last month, so apologies for that. I just ran out of time. I couldn't fit everything in, and I was full of good intentions. So yeah, yeah, thanks for watching today, and I'll be back soon with yeah, card making. See you soon. Take care of each other. Bye for now. Mwah. I am so sorry. I don't know where my head's at. I'm ready for the Easter break. I'm off work for a few days and I'm just finding it hard to relax. I forgot about the extra peel-offs that I had this time and the extra die. So I've had some circles this time because I do love the circles. So I've had lots of different colours of those. So I've had some silver glitter, some pink holographic, pink glitter, iridescent glitter. I've also had some sway, which is the silver glitter, the green foil, the silver foil, gold foil, and the white glitter, iridescent glitter. Because I have a lot of the pinstripe and the straight, but not so many of the circles, and the circles are my favourite ones. I've also had an extra die, and I have been playing with it already. I completely forgot about it. So I had the watering can die as an extra, and I did some inlay with that. I used some of the cardstock from a previous Love From Lizi kit, the white pearlescent, and did some pink and green inlay, and some I had some textured cardstock in my stash, and did the watering can with that. So I think they look really pretty. So that would be lovely on a card front as well. Yeah, sorry about that. I forgot to add that in. See you later. Bye.